Hi there and happy holidays. This is Marybeth Angelelli bringing you this exciting short video today for Cashapp Christmas as we move into the final week right before Christmas. Doesn't matter what your situation is, folks, if you can use some extra holiday cash for some of those last minute holiday expenditures, last minute gifts, or perhaps you want to start paying down some of the expenditures that you put on your credit card this season, folks, this is the perfect time to take advantage of Cashapp Christmas because it will position you to be able to start receiving unlimited $100 instant payments directly to your Cashapp account. And you'll have your very own page like this with this short minute video that's going to do all your telling, selling, and explaining for you. It's like 2 minutes long and it converts absolutely amazing, okay? Simple page, you'll have your own with your information in step 1 so that you can start collecting unlimited $100 Cashapp payments, okay? So it's very simple. You can click here to make the payment as soon as you're ready to get started, or you can just go to your Cashapp and here is my Cashapp ID right here. You can send me $100, okay? And then that'll be step 1 taken care of. Step 2, $25 one-time admin payment, okay? And here is the Cashapp ID for step 2. And then step 3, all you do is you take a screenshot of all of your payments, which there's only 2 of them, one for 100 and one for 25, and you send them and submit the form below so that you can get your replicated page just like this created for you with your information so you can start receiving $100 instant Cashapp payments directly to you all day long, folks, okay? And you can have your site within 24 hours. Actually, I got mine in like 1 hour. Okay, so there's never been a better time to get started, and you can start to collect these $100 payments for however you need to use the funds. Okay, folks? Doesn't matter. Here's a disclaimer right here. You definitely want to review this disclaimer, and then you want to watch this video. So I'm going to go ahead before I close out the video, because this is really simple. You're going to get a page just like this replicated with your information, and it'll have this video uploaded for you so that you can share this. And you can share this wherever you would like. Any form of social media. If you have any kind of email list, we have email swipe copy that we can give to you. I will personally give to you so that you can blast it out to your email list. Word of mouth. Really doesn't matter, folks. This is really simple. I don't know too many people out there right now that could not use some extra cash right in time for the holidays. Now, these $100 payments do and will add up very nicely and very quickly if you just take action and share this little page, folks, that you will have replicated for you with your video and also your Cashapp payment information. So go ahead and sit back and relax and enjoy this short little video, folks. And then you know what to do. Next, as soon as you go through this, folks, my link will be below in the description, along with my contact details. Anything you need, do not hesitate to reach out to me, folks, and I will be here to help you. But this is pretty self-explanatory, pretty simple. Nothing difficult, nothing complex here. Just a simple way to earn some nice extra cash in time for the holidays for whatever your financial needs might be currently. Okay? So without further ado, let me just go ahead and click on this and enjoy.
The holiday season is here. How would you like to receive $100 gift payments directly sent to your Cashapp account? Just by you sharing this high-converting simple page. Imagine hearing those Cashapp notifications ringing all day long. The joy of having cash on hand this Christmas. Not only will this program be available during the holiday season, we will also be available beyond New Year's. All you have to do is follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1, send $100 to the person who invited you to this program. Step 2, send $25 to admin to create your page and also place you in our rotator. Step 3, submit the form with all the information that is requested. All payment information is down below. All payments will be verified when you submit your payment information. We will create your page with your Cash App ID. The time to join is now. Imagine all the $100 bills collected by you directly to your Cash App account. Live worry-free this holiday season and make sure that all the information that you submit is correct. And also make sure that your inviter's information is correct, so that way we can create your page and put you in our rotator, ready to start collecting those $100 bills. So once again, it's very simple. All you have to do is share this page with others, and you start receiving instant direct $100 bills directly to your Cash App account. Enjoy the holiday season, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year.
So there you go. Isn't that such a cool, exciting little video? And you'll get to have the same video on your page. You'll get to share this wherever you would like to. Like I say, you can take this out to any social media website, whether it be YouTube, whether it be Facebook, whether it be Instagram, whether it be TikTok, wherever you want to take this, folks. You got an email list, share this with your email list subscribers. Hey, word of mouth, share this with your family and friends, folks, and I'm certain they will be most appreciative, and thank you for sharing it with them. Okay, this will get you the opportunity to be able to put $100 over and over again into your bank account, deposited directly to you, instantly to you via your Cash App. So here's what to do next, folks. Just follow these 3 simple short steps. Step 1, Step 2, and Step 3. If you need anything, just connect with me, folks. My contact details will be listed below, along with the link to this very page right here, folks. Okay? cashflownetworks.com/cc/Marybeth ANG. Okay, but the link will be below. You may need to copy and paste it and type it into your browser. But once again, it is cashflownetworks.com/cc/MARYBETHANG. It'll be below. Okay? See you on the inside. Thank you very much. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.